Plants are an essential part of life on Earth. They give us the oxygen that we need to breathe. They take in the carbon dioxide. They purify the atmosphere for us. They increase the humidity and keep air temperatures down and so on. So we must care for them. Oh, my dear plants. Okay. Wait for me here. Ta-da! Look at the plants. Look at what I'm doing. It's so much fun! I don't care! My dear plants, how are you now? Did you make photosynthesis? Did you eat your food? Wait, are you thirsty? I'll bring water for you. Dun-ta-da, dun-ta-da. Come on, drink some water. I'll take care of you, my friend. I'm so grateful to you for all the things that you do for us. Woo-hoo.